Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Auswide Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in auswidebank.com.au. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top right corner. Here you can select if you want to log into internet banking or MasterCard credit card. Click on internet banking option. Now in this login portal, you'll have to enter your client number associated with your account and your access code. If you do not remember your access code, then you can click on forgot your access code link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on register now button. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Auswide Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.